Olivia, Hong Kong, walking with my bebe. We're looking for a restaurant tonight. We're looking for the Japanese.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Beauty Gonzalez at kanyang anak na si Olivia Crisologo, enjoy sa kanilang mother and daughter trip sa Hong Kong. Sa ibinahaging video ng mga ito sa social media, ay makikitang masaya sila sa pagbisita sa Disneyland. Lalo namang natuwa ang mga tagahanga ni Beauty, dahil sa lagi nitong pagbibigay ng quality time kay Olivia, kahit pa napaka-busy nito sa kanyang trabaho. Ito ang ilang video nila na mag-ina, sa kanilang Hong Kong trip.
Olivia, Hong Kong, walking with my bebe. We're looking for a restaurant tonight. We're looking for the Japanese restaurant. How about India? We're going to India, Olivia. Let's eat Indian na. What should we eat tonight? Ooh, it's in Disneyland.
1, 2, 3.
Go, baby, run.
That's what I'm talking about.
Where?
Mountain.
Okay, go. I'll run after.
With Mickey Mouse.
See you. Wow. Wow, Olivia, fast lane. Excited. Say thank you to Tita Eileen.
Thank you, Tita Eileen.
Ay, wait for me.